how I do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna make it a quick video. Okay, first I go in with the NYX brow glue. I think it's clear, or I don't know, they have one that's like brown, but this one is clear. So I go ahead and I go with this one here. As you can see, it's all over my brows. And then I have this little thing, this little tool here. I got it for like foundation, but I found that using this to sculpt the brow into place, like just to get it through, it really helps. So I'm gonna go ahead and I just let the brow product see. So once I do that, it's kind of giving it that waxy brow shape thing looking. Right, so once we do that, I just leave it like that for a while so the product can set into my brows. And I'm just gonna, sometimes I clean it off with a paper towel, or I just flip it to the other side. And again, y'all, brows are sisters, not twins. I did just get my eyebrows waxed, so it kind of helps out a little bit when I get them waxed. Yeah, lately I've been loving like just following my brows, and just, you know, I used to have them thick, but you know, as we change, the brows change as well. Okay, so, but do you see this? This kind of like literally lift it up and just makes it look like, okay, so like that. So once we have that, do you see how the brows are looking? So while we have that cooking, sometimes I go with the other tip of this and I just like use it to like whatever is not in place to make it in place. Once it sticks more, I'm gonna use my loose powder. This is my baking powder, loose powder, and I use a little powder puff, and then I just like set my brow so that way it's not going to look so oily. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my brows to be oily throughout the day, like my whole face is matte and then my brows is oily. Never like that. So definitely doing that part helps. I also did my lash extensions by myself, you guys. Listen, baby, talk about $12.99. If you guys want a tutorial, let me know, because I'll do it the next time I do these. So what I'm gonna go ahead and use is the powder puff. I put a little bit of the loose powder and I'm just gonna dab it all in between. As you can see, you're gonna see, like, I'm telling you, this is really good. The One Size Beauty loose powder, baking powder, I love it. Alright, so once I do that, do y'all see how matte like this this powder? Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the NYX Lift and Snatch. Again, this is the brow tint pen and the color is black. So this is what it comes. This is what the tip looks like. And then I just go through and create some more, you know, do little hair-like strokes. Let me see. Our brows are sisters, not twins, but we're gonna do hair-like strokes, okay? You see this? Do you see how it matches? Yup. I can't do my eyebrows and talk, so I'm just gonna be quiet. I look better under you, I can't lose. And I just go in sparingly, because if you leave it on for too long, it can have you looking crazy. So yeah, and of course you want to shake it before you use it. So yeah, I'm just like creating hair-like strokes, and then I'm gonna go in and clean it up, right? So, and when I get my brows done, they do look a little bit on the thinner side, which is fine with me. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter. It don't matter to me. Okay. So do you see like how that looks? Do you see that? Anyway, under this side. Okay, we getting somewhere. Again, eyebrows were sisters, not twins. But yeah, little strokes to imitate hair-like. And if you mess up, it's fine because you're going to use concealer to clean it up. We love that. Let me see. See, it makes my brows look fuller. I feel like if I wasn't messy, I could just leave it like that without cleaning it up. I'm gonna go with some concealer from Win Beauty. This is in the shade, I think, Discovery? No. Envision, okay? And I'm just gonna use this flat brush here. And I'm just gonna clean it. Now, this is not like a lighter shade. It's like literally my shade, so I try not to have halo brows, even though that used to be a thing, okay? We used to have halo brows, but we try not to have that anymore. And I'm just gonna clean it up, follow the line of my brow, follow the arch and the line of my brow. Again, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. And then whatever the excess is, I just put it, you know, down my lid, blend it out my lid. You see, so we clean up the brow, it's giving natural, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the top.
Long as you joking out here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody.
Alright, so y'all, we got our brows, okay? We got the brow. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And the other side is the one that gives me problems because that really is like, that's not even cousin, it's not even fam at this point really. But this one always eats. But this one, please pray for me, y'all. This is our brows. What do you think? Listen, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. This one will always give me problem, but this one always comes in clutch. But this is our brows, and sometimes if I feel like I need some more, I just go back with this, and I just like, you know, put a little bit more. Just to make it a little bit more. And that's it, y'all. Let me do my makeup and come back.
Like you do, you do.